This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Francine Arroyo Santowski. This is your opportunity to live at a resort-style community just minutes from world-renowned attractions including Walt Disney World, enjoying low-maintenance living with exterior upkeep included, and taking advantage of the community's amenities, including a clubhouse, fitness center, pool, spa, playground, and recreational areas within a gated entrance. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome features a well-designed floor plan with bright, open living spaces ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The open concept layout connects the living and dining areas, creating a comfortable and functional gathering space. The kitchen offers ample cabinetry, generous counter space, and a convenient breakfast bar. A bedroom and full bathroom are located on the first floor, providing flexible space for guests, a home office, or additional living needs. Upstairs, the primary suite includes a private bathroom, along with 2 additional bedrooms and a 3rd full bath. Conveniently situated near shopping, dining, entertainment, and major roadways, this property offers easy access to everything in Central Florida. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.